Welcome back to Lucore Automotive Services. Today, we're just taking apart a T5. Because why not? We didn't pay $350 for this transmission. We paid $300 for this transmission, which may or may not be a good deal. But we're going to take it apart, check the bearings, check the synchros. It feels okay. The front input shaft is really loose. So I decided to take it apart and look inside. And we'll see what we see. There we go. There's our Speedo drive gear. Shift ball out of there. Ooh, got it. Didn't lose it. Let's just put that in a bucket. Bucket of parts to go in the cleaner. Let's go. Whoa. It's not great. Housing's alright. West bearing. Definitely a good thing we're going to clean this thing up. So I'm going to guess we're going to find some bad bearings. Or who knows what. He's got a tooth missing out of him. A couple of them, actually. So it's going to need new Speedo gear. Snap ring pliers. This T5 is going to go into the 66 Chevy pickup truck or shop truck. I decided to upgrade the Saginaw 4-speed to a T5 5-speed. Get that highway gear a little easier to drive on the freeways, and it'll just be all the way around a better drivable vehicle. I also have a T5 I need to go through and freshen up for my 1983 Jeep CJ7 that I have tucked away in a storage unit right now, waiting in automotive purgatory to be brought back to a useful place in life. And hopefully I'll be doing that fairly soon. It's not great. It's a lot of end play. Anyway. There we go. Thrust spring looks okay. I think something's missing inside this transmission. Should not have that much free play. So let's go ahead and get the 5th gear assembly off. I'll pull my top cover. And then we'll pull it off of this mangled blow-proof housing.
go. Yeah, here's.
I almost blew my synchro apart. Hit it with a hammer, that'll make it better. Just remember, just because I'm doing this doesn't mean I'm doing it the right way. But hey, as long as it gets done. Hey, easy.
Are you rebuilt or just cleaning?
I am disassembling it to see what needs fixed in it because so far it doesn't look too bad except the fact that it has
A lot of play.
some pretty severe end play.
Bruce back there laughing.
Got a little bit of
Just in case it needs to move.
well, yeah. It uses rotational energy, not lateral energy, but it still needs to be held in the correct place. Fifth gear looks alright. Blocker ring looks good. I don't think this guy made it to third gear, judging by the bell housing. Those guys over there nice and happy together. You guys ready to come out? This guy's ready to come out. Oh yeah, that's why it's got so much end play, because I keep pulling the bearing race out. Because it's held in by the rear case. That makes sense. Pay attention to what you're doing, dummy. Whoop. Missing the alignment dowel on that one. That'll be a hard one to come up with. Only 4 bolts that hold it in there. Bigger pry bar. Oh, something's gonna break. Oh, no, it was just glued on there. People in their RTV. About the time I should probably go grab some directions. There we go. Oop, we got our plastic pads there, but we don't have our plastic pads there. It's not great. I think it's missing one input needle there. Awkward. Oh yeah, that's not good. Was making some metal. Front retaining clips broken. Oh. So there's a recess in the input shaft. You have to line up, and then you can slide it out. Looks like this thing was run with one bearing, minus one bearing. There's a bunch of needle bearings you put in here. And it looks like it was run without one So it tore up the input shaft and the main shaft. So that pretty much is a waste of a T5 transmission. Bummer. But at least we know before we put it in the car that it's garbage and we don't have to continue. And sometimes when you buy used parts, that's what you get. That guy's all buggered up. Take a look and see if we can find another one of these locally. Oh, I got the shaft on this one. Oh well, can't win them all. It's all right. We'll use the bits in other stuff. The cluster gear is good in this, and those are like $700, so we'll set that aside for the next one. And it feels good, rolls smooth. Yeah, that guy's a mess. Got some good bits though. We'll be able to use parts to put another one together. Well, it's not looking like this one's going to go back together anytime soon. So we will find another T5, hopefully in better condition than this one. If not, we should have all the parts here to fix the other one we pick up. But that's what happens when you're trying to do stuff on the cheap. I paid $300 for the transmission, and it has a $500 blow-proof bell housing on it. Although the bell housing has been modified, but whatever. Somebody might give me a couple $100 for the bell housing because I don't need the bell housing. We'll put it back together with the parts in something else, and we'll move forward. You know, a new transmission's like $3,000, so finding one used and fixing it is an affordable choice if you have the time and the gumption to do so. At any rate, thanks for watching. Click like, subscribe, leave us a comment below. You guys have a great day.